Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got some more information about the Sangean ATS-909X2 multi-band radio. And this is on one of my favorite websites, SWLING. I'll put the link to this article in the first comment below this video. And this is by Dan Hawkins, who just got one of these. He ordered it back in December from Amazon, and the price was $460. Didn't ship, and it price dropped a couple of times, so he canceled his order. And when he finally got it, he got it for $297. That's a lot better. And then he goes into details of what he initially found out about it. And I'm not going to go through all these details. I'll let you go to this website and read it yourself. Lots of information here about the different modes. Is the 909X worth the additional money right now? He says yes. It is a little pricey when you consider you can get a Texan PL 660 for just over $100. But I love my 909. I just, there's something about this this tuning wheel here I really like, and the huge display. And this is just his initial impressions. He'll be doing some more post as he tries it out. And here is a YouTube video by Willow Slot DX that he actually shows a comparison of the old 909 to the X2. Great show. Go check this out. Anyway, that's it. Again, you can get it at Amazon now, or at least order it for $289. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.